Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have the equation ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d is equal to 0. And we're told that this equation has roots of -1, -3, and 5. And we're asked, which of the following out of these is a factor of ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d, which is the expression that is equal to 0 in this equation. So here we have to use the relationship between the roots of the equation and the factors of the expression. So if the root is just any number, let's call it e, since that's a variable we haven't used yet. E just being some random constant. If e is our root, then our factor is x minus e. Because in the chain, in the equation of x minus e, x plus f, x minus g, whatever, is equal to 0, right? The factored out version of this. For e to be a root, we need to have x minus e in this chain, because for all of these to be equal to 0, one of them has to be equal to 0. So if this is equal to 0, then the whole thing is equal to 0, and the equation is correct. So if x minus e is equal to 0, we add e to both sides of this equation, we get x is equal to e. So that's how you get from the factor to the root. So here, going in a similar way, our factor is going to be x minus -1, x minus -3, x minus 5. And of course, minus -1 is x plus 1, x minus -3 is x plus 3, and we still have x minus 5. So these are our three factors of the expression, and only one of these lines up with one of our answers. We have x plus 1 lines up with b, so that's going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.